Okay, guys, so this is how I make my scalp cleanser. And not only that, but don't you hate that? Thinking about something that you just lose track of thought. I usually keep these bottles too, and I put like a flower in it. It's so pretty. And it's like so soothing to the scalp. She said this one was aged longer. It has vanilla in it, so I can't wait to smell it. Oh, it's not. So all I had to do was twist it. It smells so good. I have to make sure this is not the oil. Okay, no, this is the. What I used before. So basically, like I don't use shampoo, like I'll cleanse my scalp. Then I'll use like conditioner for the ends of my hair. Let's see. Don't drop the liquor. Okay. So I left that much there. I probably should have. I'm crazy. So these are like my heavy hitters right here. This is really all I use. We're gonna go with peppermint. And I think with peppermint, it took a lot of okay, so I did 20 drops of the peppermint. I don't know if you can see. Excuse the mess in the kitchen. Would this be better if I put it here? All right, so next we're gonna go with eucalyptus. I'm trying to position it where you can see me. Okay, that's better. So I think I did like 42 drops of that. And the Breathe Easy. So with this has everything that I would use in my hair growth oil, and we'll make that really quick too. Okay. Oh. I'm like looking right here, but it's like and so I'll let you could use this right away. I usually let it sit for like a couple hours. All right, so that's that. This is your scalp cleanser. Especially when your hair is like, your scalp is like just itchy and it's just, you're like, what is it? So annoying. I'm going to use castor oil. I usually would put jojoba oil as well, but I ran out. I know I didn't just spill that. I'm a little annoyed. But that's all we're going to use. And I'll probably put like a couple drops of jojoba oil. Neem is what I use. Breathe easy. So we're gonna put like, I guess, I don't know. So it's 40. Well, I'll be down. Okay, no, it's still sitting there. And this is peppermint. Usually I use spearmint, so I'm a little annoyed. I'll probably go and get it.